हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों को फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव बीन आस्किंग मी टू प्रोवाइड देम the questions and answers, important questions and answers from the Bishop's Candlesticks, so which is in your alternative syllabus of class 12. Okay, so here it is. These are the important questions and answers. Okay, short questions and long questions. Okay, so I will not be speaking much. The video is going to be very short. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can write down the answers. Now, why I am providing you the answers on my YouTube channel is because there are some technical issues on my website actually. That is why I am not able to upload the notes there. Okay, so as soon as my website gets fixed, okay, then you can visit my website. I will be informing you, and at that time you can copy down the notes, okay, or print out the notes, ready-made notes from there. Okay, but right now, because all of you are having kind of exams and emergency, so I'm providing you the answers here only. Okay, you can pause the video and write down the answers. Okay, so here are the answers of the Bishop's Candlesticks. ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हैं शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स. आई विल नॉट बी स्पीकिंग मच. ओके, मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा, तो आप यहाँ से देख के आप लोग लिख लीजिए इसको. ठीक है, आई स्क्रॉल डाउन सो दैट यू कैन पॉज एंड राइट डाउन. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. Then you have 3, 4, as you can see. I'll remove the cursor of the mouse. Okay. Then you have 4, 5, and 6. All right. 4, 5, and 6. Okay. You can pause and write down the questions and the answers. Then this is question number 7 and 8. Seven and 8. You can pause and write. Then you have long questions and answers. All the above ones were short questions and answers. Now you have the long questions and answers. Okay. This is covering your entire the Bishop's Candlestick story. Okay. So this is question number 9 and the answer. Question number 10 and answer. आप लोग पॉज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, पॉज करके आप लिख सकते हैं. This is question number 11. Question number 11 is it has continued in page 3. Okay, so this is page 2. Contrast the characters of the bishop and Persome. And this is the continuation of question number 11. Okay, from here, as you can see, she worries about their financial condition. Okay, here it comes. फिर मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे जाऊंगा. The bishop has a sense of humor. Question number 12. आप पॉज कर लीजिए वीडियो को. ठीक है. Then there are some extra questions also. These are some of the most important but extra questions. Okay. 13. This is the answer. You can pause. 14. This is the answer. Okay. So here this comes to an end. Okay. So you can write down the questions and answers, and once my website gets fixed, I'll be providing you the answers there itself. And you see, these notes are actually not for sale, so please do not ask for PDF. Okay, you can write it down from here itself. Okay, and when my website gets fixed, as I told you, website जब ठीक हो जाएगा तो मैं वहाँ पे अपलोड कर दूंगा. ठीक है, बट अभी के लिए आपको, अगर आपको इमरजेंसी है तो आपको यहाँ से, मतलब YouTube से ही लिखना होगा ये चीज़. ठीक है, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope the answers will help you a lot in your upcoming exams. Okay, all the best to all of you. See you in another video. Thank you so much.